Hello. In this tutorial, we will explore the collect list function in PySpark. This function allows us to aggregate elements into a list for each group. We will demonstrate this complex dataset containing nested data structure. First of all, we will import necessary PySpark module. And next step is initialize a Spark session in in Databricks. Okay. Here we have a dataset containing customer orders where each customer ordered products from different categories. We aim to group these orders by customer and collect the product categories into list. And now we define the schema for the dataset, customer ID, product category, and price. And now create a data frame from the dataset. And also, and now show the original data frame. Okay, this will display the raw customer order with the product categories and price. And now I want grouping data by customer ID using a collect list function. The goal is to aggregate all the product categories purchased by each customer into a list. This helps analyze customer purchase pattern. And now I want to display the result of the collect list. Now we will see how the product categories for each customer have been aggregated into a list. And now I want to adding additional complexity, include price in the list. We extend this by collecting both the product categories and price in the complex structure. Let's create a structure combining the category and price and then collect them into a list. Okay, and now strike combine product category and price column into a single column. Okay, and then group by customer ID and collect the structure data into a list. Okay, and next step show the result of the complex grouping with collect list. Okay. Show the result of complex grouping with the collect list each customer. Yes, C1, C2, and C3. Each customer will now have a list of struct where each struct contains both product category and corresponding price. And in the end, the collect list function is PySpark. Sorry, the collection function in PySpark is a powerful tool when dealing with the group aggregation, allowing you to collect multiple rows into a list. It can be particularly useful for transforming and restructuring complex datasets. Thank you for watching.